We want to show you a live look here at I-25 in Colorado. Traffic pretty much bustling today. It's kind of nice to see things coming back to life. Chief Meteorologist Mary Matthews joins us now from her home with your forecast. Hey, Mary.
With the forecast, with the boys, with the whole 9 yards today. Thank you everyone for all your support for the last hour leading up to this. It's hard to wrangle two kids and do everything from home, but we're all in this together, right? Temperatures are in the 60s across Colorado Springs, desert Southwest, triple-digit heat. Of course, we kind of expect that this time of year, but we are trending right on par with where we should be. Across Colorado Springs, 65 is running average for the beginning of May. So we're not talking record-breaking heat by any means today. It's been nice and pleasant, mix of sun and clouds. There's a little moisture that's going to scoot into the region this evening that could trigger off just a few mountain showers for us. We have a few little showers moving across the Raton Pass areas into eastern Los Animas County. No severe weather expected, but some of these showers will continue to work west to east across the southeastern portion of the state before dissipating this evening, so nothing too widespread for us. Most areas will stay dry. Now tomorrow, we're under partly sunny skies. Temperatures are surging back into the upper 60s to low 70s for parts of the Pikes Peak region, into the 50s and 60s for parts of Taylor County, so a touch warmer for tomorrow, but still nice and comfortable and a little closer to seasonal averages, give or take a few degrees. 70s across Canyon City and parts of the Arkansas River Valley as you work east into the Highway 50 area. Parts of Broward County, areas into La Junta will be into the upper 70s, so a little bit warmer tomorrow. We stay dry through tomorrow and through Thursday, but this system that is turning just to the south of the Gulf of Alaska, see this area of low pressure and this front that is going to continue to surge across the Pacific Northwest overnight tonight will be our next weather maker by Thursday night into Friday. So the next time you're really going to notice changes for the forecast and some unsettled weather is going to be Friday morning. Before this system arrives, it will continue to increase our winds, which means warmer conditions will continue to prevail for Wednesday and for Thursday before cooler conditions will arrive for Friday. Let me show you what I mean. Of course, red flag warnings are going up already for the San Luis Valley again for tomorrow, and then we have fire weather watches along the I-25 corridor, so parts of the Pikes Peak region will likely be enduring some critical fire danger by Thursday, and winds are going to be much stronger this day as well. Notice this is Thursday at 10 o'clock in the morning, 30 to 40 mile per hour gust. Possible 60-mile-an-hour winds coming in across the San Luis Valley, parts of the high country and the Sangre de Cristos, and the lower terrain areas will have some gusty winds as well. That will be feeding into very dry and very warm conditions for us on Thursday, so critical fire danger ahead of this system that will finally bring us some moisture on Friday, but don't get your hopes up. It's not going to be anything too widespread yet. Again, notice as those shift in winds come in across the Palmer Divide on Thursday, this is going to probably increase our low-level cloud cover, so Friday morning is likely going to have some patchy fog and some dreary conditions with patches of drizzle across I-25 and El Paso County. And then if we can get a break in the clouds by the afternoon on Friday, allowing for some added instability in the atmosphere, we may get a few little stray showers and thunderstorms to help us put down some better amounts of precipitation. But again, right now, low-res models are not looking all that promising. I think the primary concern is certainly going to be the chance for just a few stray showers and cooler conditions to arrive for Friday. Temperatures in the 50s and 60s on Friday, so noticeably cooler as we take you through your 7-day forecast. You'll notice that surge in warm air ahead of the cool down. It's expected to arrive for Friday for Woodland Park, and temperatures into the 70s and 80s for Wednesday and Thursday for Pueblo before those showers and thunderstorms start to creep back into the region on Friday afternoon. Again, it's only about a 30% chance. That denotes the coverage area, so we're not talking anything too widespread, so just be mindful of that. Colorado Springs, highs in the upper 60s tomorrow, mix of sun and clouds, and then our warmest day really happens on Thursday. But again, remember, gusty winds and the chance for a few areas that will have some high fire danger. Just because you whisper doesn't mean that it helps, buddy. So that's about it. Thanks for coming in towards the end of the hit this time. So back to you guys.